in the first big step. WordPress is a fantastic piece of software. But there's a few things that you can do to optimize it. So I noticed a person asked him, hey, what plugins do you use? So I threw this screenshot in. These are the plugins I use, and this is literally all the plugins that I use. That's how good WordPress is. You don't need to modify it that much. Akismet already built there. Cookies for comments, shout out to Donsha in Ireland. He does an amazing job of preventing spam. Basically, it sets a cookie, and then when a spammer posts, if they don't have that cookie, you're like, yeah, dude, you're a bot. All you do is just post directly. So I hesitate to tell people about this because it's so useful that if everybody starts using it, the spammers will adapt. But you guys are cool, so cookies for comments, highly recommended. Is Mark? Yeah. Import www. Oh, so good. You don't even need to worry about it. All this thing does is it says, look at my preference. So I prefer www.google.com or non-www.google.com, whatever your domain is, and it does a redirect so that you don't have to worry about having your domain split between example.com and www.example.com. So this sort of stuff is fantastic. FeedBurner I like to use, and WordPress Supercache is a great plugin. So the beauty of WordPress is that you don't need to do a lot of stuff. But before we talk about how you can rank higher in Google, we need to learn a little bit about how Google works. And it's not that complicated. We crawl roughly in order of PageRank. That means the more PageRank you have, the faster you're likely to be found, the deeper we'll crawl on your site, the more often we'll visit your pages to see if they've been refreshed. Okay, cool, PageRank, magic green juice. How do I get more PageRank? First, what is PageRank? Anybody want to tell me? It is named for Larry Page. Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the two co-founders of Google. What is PageRank?
Secret sauce.
Okay, it's not that secret.
Fairy dust, Matt.
It's not green fairy dust. Let's just walk through a very simple, I got that here. It's really simplicity itself. So, singular value decomposition. Let's go ahead. You didn't show up at 10 a.m. on a Saturday morning to talk math? No? Okay, all right. PageRank had a 50,000 foot view set.